this is your English class, English Grammar Class 1 Air Foundation series. Open your book. Your lesson number 1 is the alphabet, small and capital letters. The alphabet. The letters from A to Z are called alphabet. जो A to Z तक आपके जो लेटर्स हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? अल्फ़ाबेट्स कहलाते हैं. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. कितने अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं आपके? कितने लेटर्स हैं आपके अल्फ़ाबेट्स में? 26. ओके. The following letters are called capital letters. These are the capital letters. ये कौन से लेटर्स हैं आपके? कैपिटल लेटर्स हैं. कैपिटल क्या होता है? बड़ा. ठीक है, ये आपकी बड़ी ABCD है. The following letters are called small letters and these are the small letters. ये आपकी कौन से लेटर्स हैं? स्मॉल लेटर्स हैं, छोटी ABCD. स्मॉल मीन्स छोटा होना. ठीक है, दिस इज योर स्मॉल लेटर्स and this is capital letters. Let us understand, identify all the small letters by circling them. अब हमने क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि इसमें से आपका स्मॉल लेटर्स कौन से हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्मॉल लेटर्स. विच कैपिटल लेटर इज दिस? कैपिटल और स्मॉल. विच लेटर इज दिस? कैपिटल और स्मॉल. दिस इज द कैपिटल लेटर. एंड विच लेटर इज दिस? कैपिटल और स्मॉल. इट इज अ कैपिटल लेटर, स्मॉल लेटर. सो यू हैव टू सर्किल दिस स्मॉल M. Which letter is this? J. Is this capital or small? This is capital letter. Which letter is this? D. Is this capital or small? This is small letter. You have to circle this small D. Which letter is this? E. Is this capital or small? This is small letter. You have to circle this small E. You have to complete this exercise. बिल्कुल इसी तरह से आपने इस एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करना है. स्मॉल लेटर्स को सर्कल करना है. ओके. प्रैक्टिस. इन द टेबल बिलो सम लेटर्स आर मिस्ड आउट. कंप्लीट द टेबल एंड राइट all the letters in your notebook. You have to write down in your notebook. Okay. This is, which letter is this? A. Is this capital or small? This is capital A and this is small letter, small a. This is capital B and this is small b. This is capital C. What you have to write here? Small c. You have to write down small c. This is capital D and here is written small d. This is blank. So you have to write down here yourself. आपने यहाँ पे खुद write करना है. This is small e. So what you have to make? You have to make capital E. Just like here is written capital F. You have to make small f. As it is, you have to complete this complete exercise. आपको पूरी एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करना है. Do it yourself. Okay. Extend exercise. Look at the pictures below. There seems to be a mix-up of small and capital letters in the names. Write the names of each of these pictures in small letters. There are pictures. यहाँ आपको pictures नजर आ रही हैं. This is the river picture. This is river. This is sun. This is fox. This is horse. This is duck. ये आपको मिक्सअप हुए हैं आपके लेटर्स. Just like this is the capital letter. This is small I. This is capital B. This is capital E. This is small R. This is a mix-up of alphabet letters. Okay. अब what you have to do? You have to write down with small letters. हमें कौन से letters में write करना है? Small letters में write करना है. So what we will write? Small R, स्मॉल I, स्मॉल V, small E and small R. This is the small letters. River. Just like you have to write down sun in small letters. आपने sun को किस letters में ऐड करना है? Small letters में. S Q N. Just like this you have to complete these three also, okay, in small letters. आपने इनको भी small letters में ही complete करना है. Just like fox लिखा हुआ है, ये capital and small letters के साथ write है, but you have to write down with just small letters. Just like this. Complete it in yourself, okay. Read the following words. Which letter do they begin with? Write them in the order in which they should come in the alphabet. 2 words have been done for you as an example. Write the other 5. Just like यहाँ पे cap, mad, gnat, dog, goat, frog, apple ये दिए हुए हैं. Just like this is the alphabet A apple. There is no word with begin B से यहाँ पे कोई word नहीं आता. After B which letter will come? C cap. After cap, after C, which letter will come? D for dog. What you have to write down here? Dog. After D, which letter will come? E. There is no any word with E से यहाँ पे कोई भी word नहीं है. So after E, which letter will come? F for frog. So just like this you have to complete this exercise with alphabetically order. आपने इनको ऑर्डर में राइट करना है. आफ्टर ई जो अल्फ़ाबेट आता है आपने वो यहाँ पर चेकआउट करना है कि यहाँ पे वो वर्ड है या नहीं है. देन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर. ओके, कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज. वी विल मीट सून in our next class. Allah Hafiz.